Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Uh, I'm speechless today. I'm speechless today. You won't believe that. I'm the witness of the Solar Eclipse 2024. Right now I'm at Burlington, using the Solar Eclipse 2024. I just finished shooting. I'm filming as well as taking pictures of the Solar Eclipse of 2024. And I will be publish this video so soon. So stay tuned on my all social platform. I'm uploading on my TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube as well as. So stay tuned for the updates and my special moments. It's a lifetime moment for me. So thank you so much, guys, showing your lots of love to me, to my channels, and yes, here I'm Neil Talpada. Thank you so much being with me as always. Take care. Bye. I'm at the Burlington Spencer Park to gazing the sun eclipse, and as you can see that I have the setup over here at the back to just making the video as well as the photo for the sun eclipse. Unfortunately, I forgot my adapter, the lens adapter with the tele lens and the Nikon Z6. So I have to use my Samsung S23